What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be doing the July, I can't even believe that it's like already July, Boxycharm unboxing. So I have my classic box from the month of July as well as the premium box, which is right here. So we are going to open them both up and compare and contrast them and see what we got inside. If you guys are new to Boxycharm or my Boxycharm unboxings, it's a monthly subscription service where you get like makeup, skincare, even sometimes lifestyle products sent right to your door. The classic box is $25 per month. You're guaranteed 5 full-size items and at least $120 value. Typically though, my boxes are above that like significantly, but that is what you are guaranteed with the classic box, which is the cheapest option per month. But then they have a premium box, which this one is $35 per month, so an extra $10 over the classic box, but you're guaranteed at least $175 value and 6 to 7 full-size products. So we're gonna open them both today. We'll try some of the products on and check everything out. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna start with the classic box first, so let's open her up. These both arrived today, so I have not opened either of them. They are sealed, so let's see. Okay, so it looks like the theme this month is Boxy Sunshine, so you get this little pamphlet that says all the stuff inside. I don't like to look at that until I reference the values because I like to be surprised when I look in the box. This box smells really good, so I think it's this. I see these right on top. So this is, ooh, I have never tried these, but I really like this brand. This is Sol de Janeiro. I hope I'm totally not mispronouncing that. They sell their stuff at Sephora and it smells so good. Like their body butters are amazing and these smell so good. Like they're not even open and I can smell them. I'm gonna open the cap and see, but this is definitely what it is. Yeah, you can literally, there's literally a seal, but it's so, the fragrance is like so strong, but it's so good. Like you can smell it through the seal. Ooh, love that. So this is the shampoo and conditioner. So I actually didn't even know they made hair products. The only thing I've really tried was their body butter, which I really liked. Oh, and they're sulfate free, so that is amazing. I prefer sulfate free shampoos for myself personally. So that's really cool. And the MSRP on this little set is $24. So definitely excited about that because I know I already like the brand. Next thing I see, this is the Velvet Liquid Lipstick, matte, long lasting and moisturizing liquid lipstick. I think the brand is Hola Neon. Never heard of the brand, but I'm down for a liquid lipstick always. Ooh, pretty color too, love that. The shade is the Easy Sell. All right, let's swatch her on my hand. Oh, wow. That is very pigmented and that is very beautiful. I love that lip color. Dang. All right, let's try this on. I have a lipstick on right now, but I'm just gonna remove it because I like to actually try these products and show you guys. So let me take my lipstick that I have on right now off. We can test this guy out. I like that it says even though it's a matte liquid lipstick that it's supposed to be moisturizing too, so we'll see. I'm gonna go in and apply. This glides on super easily. And I still have not even re-dipped it. Like this is all just the original, you know, first pass. So it's very pigmented. This shade is so pretty too. I thought it was like more like a fall color, but now that I have it on, like it could definitely be worn in the summer too. It's not too vampy. Like it definitely pulls more like berry toned, which I actually really love it. And I have like basically nothing on my eyes today, so I like this kind of paired with it. And so far, it has completely dried down to a matte, but it doesn't feel drying. So we'll see how it lasts like throughout the video and stuff. But so far, I really like this. I haven't heard of the brand, but now I'm like, okay, I need to look up their stuff because this is really nice. Okay, so the value on that is $17. Wow, and it completely dried down too. And I feel like there's nothing on my lips. Because sometimes liquid lipsticks get a little like crackly, like you could feel something that's on your lips that I genuinely can't feel this is on my lips. I'm actually very impressed by this formula. So I really hope it lasts well because right now I really like it. Okay, up next I see Hourglass. Ooh, this is their Arch Micro Brow Pencil. Ooh, I actually really like this. This is in the shade Ash. I've tried this brow pencil from Hourglass. It's really nice. You have a nice little tip on the one side and then the spoolie on the other. And it's kind of like a flat tip. I don't know that you guys can necessarily see that, but it's not curved like a lot of them are. It's more flattened out so you can really get in and like sculpt out your brow with this. This is a really nice product. Hourglass makes great products. You can get them at like Sephora and stuff. I'll swatch the shade in case any of you guys want to see it. Ooh, this looks like it should be really good for me. Pretty much the same as the shade that I have on my eyebrows. So that's really nice. And I already know I like this product. So now I have a backup and this is $28. Then we have the 111 Skin Pollution Booster. NACY2 pollution booster. I don't know what that means. Let's see. Oh my gosh, wait, so I'm looking at this thing right now. This is a $135 value. So this is very bougie. It says a daytime booster to fortify your skin against harmful aggressions of the digital age. Shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Wait, that's really cool. So kind of like how blue light glasses like protect your eyes, like from your screens and stuff, this helps to protect your skin. I need that because y'all know I spend a lot of time on the computer, a lot of time on my phone. Wow, okay, that's really cool. I have never really even heard of anything like this. So it says to apply directly to the skin after cleansing. So it's basically just like a serum. Wow, okay, this I'm really excited about. I'm gonna put some on my hand so we can see. Comes with like a little dropper. Just drop a drop on there. Well, it looks like it's a thicker consistency for sure. It's not like super watery. Oh wow, yeah, it's almost like a gel consistency, but it feels really nice. It's not sticky or anything at all. No scent to it either. So even if you have sensitive skin, shouldn't be a bother because yeah, there's literally no scent at all. Dang. And it just like soaked into, oh, my hair looks crazy, sorry guys. But it just like completely soaked into my skin and left like a nice kind of feeling on it. Okay, I'm very, very excited about that. This seems very bougie, but I feel like very necessary because I never really thought about the blue light. Like I know that it can damage like your eyes, but I never really thought about your skin. So I've gotten a lot more into skincare recently. So definitely going to be implementing this in my routine and testing it out. And I can definitely keep you guys updated on that as well as I use it over time. Okay, and then the last thing I see looks like it's a little palette. This is from Beaute, which I've actually gotten quite a few of their products in Boxycharm and always thought that they were very good. And I've always been pretty impressed with them. So this is the Bronzed in Paradise. I don't know if this is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, it's a bronzer palette. Cute. Okay, so we have a mirror and then you get 4 different bronzer shades. So those are the first 2. And then that one. And that one. So you get a variety of different bronze shades. They all look to be matte, so this would be great for contouring. Or if you like matte bronzers to warm up your entire face, you can definitely use it for that. And versatility in the shades in this palette as well. So that's really, really nice. And the value on that is $30. Okay, so let's add up the price of the product. We got 5 products this month. So we have $135 for the serum, bougie bougie. We have $28 for the Hourglass brow pencil, $30 for the bronzer, $24 for the shampoo and conditioner set, and then $17 for the liquid lipstick for a total of $234. So that is well over, like I said, the value of the $120 that they're saying the box is valued at. I mean, literally the serum alone is valued at more than what they're saying the whole box is valued at, which is pretty crazy, again, for 25 bucks. So that is pretty crazy. That is a very high value classic box this month. And this liquid lipstick is still doing good. I've had this on for maybe about 20 minutes now. I know it probably doesn't seem like that when you're watching this video, but it takes me a while sometimes to film stuff, so far so good. So that is the classic box for the month of July. Now let's check out the premium box. It feels heavy, so I feel like there has to be something big in here maybe, I don't know. Okay, so first thing I see right on top. Ooh, oh, this is actually amazing. So this is a cuticle oil, which if you guys follow me on like Instagram, or I've talked about it like on my main channel and stuff, I started to do my own nails. When the nail salons were all closed here with everything going on, I learned how to do my own nails. So I've been doing them on my own, and now I have this cuticle oil. This is so cool because my cuticles get really dry. So this is from Cusio Naturale. It says milk and honey cuticle oil. So let's take it out and check it out. Very, very exciting. Even if you don't do your own nails, you can definitely always apply cuticle oil to your nails. You can also use cuticle oil in general, like on your skin. It doesn't need to just have to be your nails. All right, so I have some in the dropper. Just gonna put some on my cuticle right now. Ooh, they actually do look really dry. Like, they need this. Ooh, and it has such a nice, refreshing scent. It's really light. It's not like an overarching scent. Ooh, it smells beautiful actually. I really, really like that. I just applied it right to my cuticles and I'm blending it in. I am very excited about this. I've gotten so much more into nails, or I guess just like literally doing them myself. So I'm gonna put some on my other hand as well. And this is a big thing too, so this will last quite a long time. And I think it's great to do this like every couple of days. I honestly don't do it enough. I normally do it like when I do my nails, but if you continually do it, then you'll have nice looking fingers. Mine half the time look janky and dry. But now that I have this, hopefully I'll remember to do it and I'll keep them nice and moisturized. So this is awesome. I will definitely get use with this. So the value on this is $18. Up next, we have this Brow Bar Hollywood Icon collection. So this gold packaging. Let's see what is inside. Looks like it's gonna be a palette of some sorts. Pretty gold palette. Sorry, I got my fingerprint on it. Which made it not look as cute. Oh, wow. Wait, this is beautiful. I thought this was gonna be like for your brows because it said brow. Yeah, Brow Bar by Rima, Hollywood Icon Face Kit. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is a translucent powder. Then you get a blush, some bronzer, some eyeshadows, a little brush down here, which this looks super cute, and then a nice big mirror. So let's go in and apply some of this because I don't really have anything on my eyes right now, so we might as well test it out a little bit. I'm just gonna go in with a little brush and this shade right here and just work that into my crease. Nice little neutral transition to sculpt out the eye. I love all-in-one palettes like this. It's nice to have like eye and face stuff all in one area. Quick and it's easy. That's very pretty. Then I'm gonna go in with this gold on the little flat side and I'll just put this on my eyelid. Very pretty. Just packing this pretty gold on the lid. I like this. And then just buffing with the other side. This brush is like mini, but it actually works really well. Like it's nice and soft. And then gonna pack the color on the other eye as well. I like this. I believe I've received brow products from this brand in Boxycharm in the past, and I thought they worked pretty well. So this is my first time trying like eyeshadow, but I think it looks really nice. I like it. So super pretty little face palette, eyeshadow palette, and the value on this is $45. Okay, next we have, oh wow, okay, dang. So this is the Morphe X Manny MUA Glam palette, so eyeshadow plus highlighter palette. Wow, all right, so I never tried this when it initially launched, so this is pretty cool. I don't own this palette, so this is what it looks like, and then, oh wow. Dang, you get a lot in the premium box this month. Okay, this is really pretty. So we have beautiful eyeshadows and highlights. I didn't see this in the box, or would have left a little more, you know, area to use more eyeshadows, or I would have done like one of each eye. But these shades look really, really pretty. I haven't tried a ton of Morphe products, but the ones that I've tried, I've always thought that they were pretty good. So those look pretty. And then we have these highlights. Let me clean my hand off. We'll do some finger swatches of those. Because y'all know I love a good highlight. I have a lot of highlight on right now, or else I'd apply. I guess I could always just add a little more. Why not? I'll swatch first and then we'll add some more. So this is Apollo. Ooh, that looks beautiful. And then Nova. Ooh, they're both really, really pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit of Apollo top it so we can see. Ooh, pretty. Definitely amped up the highlight that I have on right now. I like that. Very pretty. Okay, this is really nice. It has a nice big mirror too. Okay, so what is the value of this? $20. Wow, I would have thought it would have been more, but yeah, 20 bucks. Still really nice to get that though. Then we have this Milk Makeup Kush Lash Primer. Oh, that's cool. So I don't know that I've tried the Lash Primer. I've tried the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara and I actually really like it. It's very nice. So this is the primer and the MSRP on this is $24. So this is what it looks like. The mascara is in like a silver tubing and then it's just like a white lash primer. So that's really cool. I like the mascara, so high hopes for the primer. And the value on this is, oh, I already said, I think $24. Then we have this Byroe New York Bitter Green Essence Toner. Okay, so skincare. So toner is typically something you would use in between, like after you've cleansed your skin, before you go in with serums, moisturizers, eye cream, stuff like that. You want to use a toner in between those steps. So it's kind of like your second step after you've cleansed your skin. So this looks really, really cool. It's like a bright green. Put a little on my hand. Let's see. Feels nice. Nice and silky. Has a light like scent to it, like a clean kind of scent, so I like that. So it says that this has 33 different green vegetable extracts that will hydrate and purify your skin and smooth unwanted texture. Yes, honey, I need that. I've really been looking into more products that help with texture over the past couple months, and I've tried a lot that have really helped my skin as far as texture goes, so excited to try this out and see how it works. I've never tried anything from this brand before. And the MSRP on this is $95. So again, bougie skincare. And then last but certainly not least, we have this Nelson Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. Oh, so this is a mask for your hair, not your face. So it says it detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water. That's a big one in the summer. Restores silkiness and shine and enhances natural body. So wow, that's really, really cool. I thought this was a face mask at first. So it's a hair mask and the MSRP on this is $24. It says it's 100% argan oil. It says it's coconut scented. So you guys know I have to smell everything. Let's open this up and smell it. Ooh, yes, it does smell like coconut. Very summery, so I like that. So that is really nice as well. I feel like normally I don't get a ton of hair products in my Boxycharm. I definitely get more like makeup and skincare, so I like this month that I got hair products. Like I got the hair mask in the premium, and then I got the shampoo and the conditioner in the normal monthly box, so I actually personally really like that. So I'm gonna go in and add up the value of this month's box. So again, it's supposed to be at least $175 value. So we have $20 for the Morphe Manny MUA palette, $95 for the toner, $24 for the lash primer, $24 for the hair mask, $45 for the brow bar eyeshadow palette and face palette, and then $18 for the cuticle oil, for a total of $226. So again, well over what they claim as the value. So a good deal, definitely at 35 bucks. So let me know what you guys think down below. Did you get your boxes yet this month? What did you get? Let me know in the description box, or which one of my boxes do you think is better? I would love to hear it. I will, of course, always have a link in my description box for you guys to sign up to Boxycharm if you want to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.